Hi and welcome to a new episode. Today I thought that I would show you how to change the side indicators. Of course you need some bulbs. It's T10s and you want some with amber light, of course, and you need a Torx T10 and you will need a plastic tool for the panel. Yes, I will show you. This is how it looks like right now, and you clearly see that it's not LED. So we will change them to LEDs. So just gonna get it under the panel, so, and then you're going to get the clips out. So just take, yes, so let's see. Yes. Then it's just to get it out forward, and it is some clips on the inside as well, so it's just to take it carefully and you will get it out. You can see it's one there and one there and one there as well, and then it's some points that it holds it in place, and that's it. And then it's just to, I can show you, it's a T10 there that you have to loosen up, and when you have done that, so it's done. Just be careful with the screw, you can take that off. So then we're just gonna check the bulb and that it's working, and that it's the right way of the bulb. So now it's working, and now it's just to put it back together. So, and then the screw, and just screw it back together again. And then it's just to put the plastic cover back, and you starting as you took it off, you get it forward over, just to see that you are just getting it in the right place. Just to see that it just actually are in the right place before you getting it to push, that it's coming to the right place. There, now it's on the inside, now it's just the outside left. There, and there we go. So now we're done. Now it's just the other side, exactly as we did here. And there we have it. Now it's LED, and you can buy the whole piece and you can change it, but that's a lot more expensive, and that's not something I think looks that much better, so it's worth it. So I did go with this, and what can these cost? Around 10 euros maybe. If you want some quality ones, you can find them cheaper as well, but around 5 to 10 euros if you want some good ones that will last. You can buy the whole piece ones, but if I remember correctly, they cost around 50-60 euros, and you can get them even with a floating indicator as you have in the front, but I don't think it's look OEM, so I don't want that. I want it to look as OEM as possible. But that's just me, I prefer the OEM look. So it's just what you prefer. Yes, and that was the side indicators. Change them to LEDs. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you in the next one. Bye!